Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss the derivation for the expression and derive the expression for AI, AV, RI, and R naught for C amplifier using H parameter model. Okay, this I have explained already, but once again I am explaining. Okay, this is the circuit for CE amplifier. Okay, they have given Vs, that is source voltage, Rs source resistance. Okay, these two are the coupling capacitors. Okay, C amplifier. Okay, for emitter side there is no resistance, and for collector side there is a resistance on load, that is RL. Okay, for that VCC is connected. Okay, for this C amplifier circuit we have included that H parameter model. Okay, Vs and Rs for base HIE. This is the H parameter model. Okay, in last class I have explained that mid-band analysis of BJT single stage amplifier. Okay, this I have explained already. You can observe this Vs Rs is common for all the amplifiers. Okay, and here RL is common. Okay, this in between that transistor network with copper biasing. Okay, you can observe this is the basic transistor amplifier. When we consider common emitter or common base or common collector, okay, you can observe here HIE, HRE. Okay, here HFE. Okay, we will write like that for common and that is common emitter amplifier. Okay, for common emitter amplifier we will add E element here. Okay, HIE we will write here, and HRE here instead of V2 we get VC. Okay, and instead of here I2 we get IC. Okay, instead of I1 we will write IB. Okay, instead of HF we will write HFE. Okay, for common emitter. If we consider common base, okay, we write HIB, HRB, HFB. Okay, that is what the difference for common emitter, common base. Okay, and we can write same thing for common collector. Okay, when you consider common collector we write HIC, HRC. Okay, like that, HFC. Okay, that is what difference. First derivation I will explain for the C amplifier using H parameter model. If you know this mid-band analysis of BJT single stage amplifier, how they will derive, then you can derive for CE amplifier, CC amplifier and CB amplifier. Okay, you can derive for both three amplifiers with H parameter models. Okay, just I will compare this with the C amplifier. Okay, so that you can understand easily. In this case there we consider that current gain is equal to what? First we shall see this. Okay, the current gain. Okay, for current gain what they are considering in for this figure, IL divided by IB. Okay, IL divided by IB. IL is a load current. Usually current gain is equal to what? Output current divided by input current. Here input current they are considering IB and output current is IL. Same, you can when you compare with the this diagram. Okay, this model mid-band analysis of BJT transistor model, current gain what they will write, AI is equal to IL divided by I1. Okay, this one I1. Okay, same here also they will write IL divided by IB. Okay, IL can be written as what? You can observe IL is flowing like this, IL is flowing like this, and IC is flowing like this. Okay, so it is in opposite direction. So minus IC divided by IB. You can see in the diagram IL is flowing like this and IC is flowing like this. So you will get minus IC divided by IB. Okay. So next, IC is equal to, you can see this diagram, right? IC, when you apply loop, IC is equal to HFE into IC, okay? Sorry, HFE into IB, okay? HFE into IB and HOE into VC, okay? This is what you'll get IC. From this diagram, you can observe here, okay? IC is equal to what? HFE into IB and HOE into VC, okay? This is what IC. Next, IC is equal to HFE into IB. It should be VC. It should not be in the terms of VC, okay? We want in terms of current, okay? We need to convert, okay? So VC can be written as what? When you take this, only this part, okay, this part, then this is the diagram of that, okay? IC here, IL, RL, VC, okay? When you take this, VC is equal to, can be written as IL into RL, okay? VC can be written as IL into RL. That can be written as what? Minus IC into RL, okay? That is what I have substituted instead of VC, okay? When you take common as IC, then you'll get 1 plus HOE into RL is equal to HFE into IB, okay? From this, I have taken IC as common, so you will get 1 plus HOE into RL into IC is equal to this. If you take out this side, HFE into IB, okay? This minus will become plus because when you take left side, okay? AI is equal to what? AI is equal to minus IB divided by, sorry, minus IC divided by IB. Now we got from this equation only, IC divided by IB is equal to what? Minus, here no minus it is, so we will add minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. This is what we get, okay? Next, input resistance, okay? Input resistance is equal to VB divided by IB. Input side is base, okay? We are considering base voltage divided by base current, okay? VB is equal to, I have drawn here figure, VB, HIE, HIE, VC, okay? I have considered this one, okay? So when you apply loop, what you'll get? VB is equal to HIE into IB plus HIE into VC. You can observe this figure, okay? VB formula, VB is equal to what? You'll get IB into HIE plus HIE into VC, okay? VC is equal to what? From last expression, we know that VC is equal to minus IC into RL. That can be written as what? AI is equal to minus IC divided by IB, okay? The minus IC can be written as AI into IB. So I have replaced here, instead of minus IC, I have written AI into IB, okay? VB is equal to what? So I have replaced the value of VC here, okay? If you replace the value of VC, then you need to write what? AI into IB into RL, okay? That is what I have written here. VB is equal to HIE into IB plus HIE open bracket AI into IB into RL, okay? Now we know current gain and input resistance. Next, okay, from this equation, what they have written? Ry is equal to what? Ry is equal to VB divided by IB. Now we know the value of VB, so substitute the value of VB. You will get HIE plus HIE into AI into RL. But what is the value of AI? What is the value of AI? Minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL, okay? You need to substitute the value of AI, okay? AI value you need to substitute. So we get that Ry is equal to HIE minus HRE HFE into RL divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. This is what input resistance. Okay. Next, voltage gain. Voltage gain is nothing but output voltage divided by input voltage. Output voltage, that is VC or V0 divided by VB. Okay, that can be written as what? AI into IB into RL divided by VB. Okay, so IB divided by VB can be written as what? 1 divided by RI. I have written here. Okay, I have replaced, instead of IB divided by VB, I have replaced as 1 divided by RI. Okay, so you will get that AI into RL divided by RI. Okay. Next, output admittance. Output admittance. One thing you need to remember while solving output admittance, Vs is equal to 0. Okay. So Y0 is equal to what? Y0 is equal to IC divided by Vc. Okay. You need to take this diagram. Okay. HFE into IB and IC here HOE into VC. Okay. IC equation, when you apply loop, what you will get? HFE into IB plus HOE into VC. Okay, that is what, when you apply loop, you will get the IC equation. Next step is dividing equation by VC. We get that Y0 is equal to, we want what? IC divided by VC. So divide equation by VC. So IC divided by VC is equal to HFE into IB divided by VC plus HOE into VC get cancelled. Okay, here VC get cancelled. Okay. Next, from figure B, that is VF with Vs is equal to 0, we can write that. What we can write? Rs into IB. You can see this figure. Okay, Rs into IB plus HIE into IB. Okay, from this figure, Rs into IB plus HIE into IB plus HIE into VC is equal to 0. Who is speaking that? Mute Mari. Chaitanya Raj. Okay, next is substitute value of IB divided by IC in Y0. Okay. One thing you need to remember, okay, this diagram, from this diagram, I have written that Rs into IB plus HIE into IB plus HRE into VC is equal to 0. Okay. So, Rs plus HIE close bracket IB is equal to minus HRE into VC. Okay. From this, IB divided by VC is equal to what you will get? Minus HRE divided by Rs plus HIE. Okay. Next, substitute the value of IB divided by IC in Y0. We know that value of IB divided by VC. So, we need to substitute here. Okay. Y0 is equal to HOE minus HFE into HRE divided by HIE plus RS. And R0 is equal to what? 1 divided by Y0. This is the derivation for CE amplifier. Okay. This is the derivation for CE amplifier using H parameter model. Okay. First, what is the step? You need to draw the circuit for CE amplifier and you need to draw the circuit for CE amplifier with the H parameter model. Okay. First, current gain. Current gain is nothing but output current divided by input current, that I have replaced because it is in the opposite direction. IL is this direction and IC is in this direction. So we can write it as minus IC divided by IB. Okay. Next, I have written equation for IC from figure. Okay, if you take this part, okay, IC is equal to what you will get? HFE into IB plus HOE into VC. Okay, after writing equation, you need to solve the equation so that you will get current gain. Next, input resistance. Input resistance is equal to input voltage divided by input current. Okay, VB is equal to HIE into IB. Okay, I have written equation by considering this. I have written VB equation. Next, I have replaced the VC value. I have replaced the VC value. Okay. Next, VB is equal to this. I have substituted the VC value here. Next, RI is equal to VP divided by IB. We know the value of VP, so I have substituted. So you will get this equation. Next, in this equation, we know the value of AI, so I have substituted the AI value. So input resistance is equal to HIE minus HRE HFE divided HFE into RL divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Voltage gain same. Okay, output voltage divided by input voltage. We need to find out. We know the value of VC, so substitute. You will get this one, AI into RL divided by RI. Next, output admittance. We should make VS as 0. If you make VS as 0, consider this circuit. Okay, consider the HFE. Okay, consider this circuit. Okay, because we want the what we want the value, that is we want value of IC. Okay, to find out IC value, we should consider the circuit and we should write the apply the loop, and we will get the equation, that is IC is equal to HFE into IB plus HOE into VC. Next, we need to divide by VC because we want IC divided by VC. We know the value of IC, so divided by VC. So you will get this equation. Okay. After getting this equation, but we don't know the value of IB divided by VC. It should be in terms of either hybrid parameter model or resistance. Okay, the parameters, the equation should be in terms of resistance and hybrid equations. Okay, hybrid elements. So we have replaced, we have applied the loop. So we have written here RS IB plus HIE into IB plus HIE into VC is equal to 0. We have written the equation for IB. Okay, when you apply loop, you will get this equation. From this equation, we can write IB divided by VC is equal to minus HIE divided by RS plus HIE. We know the value of IB divided by VC, so substitute in the Y naught equation. So you will get Y naught. This is the admittance. But what we want, output resistance. So output resistance is equal to what? 1 divided by Y naught. Okay, this is the derivation for CE amplifier. Next, we shall solve the problem. Okay, problem on CE amplifier. Okay, this is the problem on CE amplifier. Consider a single stage CE amplifier with RS is equal to 1 kilo ohm, RL is equal to 1.2 kilo ohm, R1 is equal to 50, R2 is equal to 2 kilo ohm, HFE is equal to 50, and HIE is equal to 1.1 K, HOE is equal to 25 microamps per voltmeter, HRE is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power 4, and find AI, RI, AV, AVS, and AI R0. Okay, these parameters we need to find out. Okay, what is the formula for AI? We have found out that from derivation, AI is equal to what? AI is equal to minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Okay, but here there is a two resistance output side. So RL is equal to RL dash. We will take RL dash is equal to what? RC parallel with RL. Okay. Instead of RL, we will consider RL dash because output side have two resistance. Okay. So RL dash is nothing but RC parallel RL. Okay. So find out the RL dash. You will get 545.45 because we know the value, two values RC and RL. So we can find out easily. AI is equal to, we know the value of HFE, HOE and RL dash. Substitute, you will get minus 49.32. Next, RI. Okay, input resistance. You can observe here input resistance what we got. HIE minus HRE HFE into RL divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Before going to that, what we got? Before going to that, what we got? RI is equal to HIE plus HRE into AI into RL. Okay, we know the value of what? We know the value of AI, so that we can substitute directly instead of finding IB and all. Okay, we know the value of AI. If we don't know the value of AI, then we need to find out again. Okay, so instead of writing this formula, we can substitute here itself. Okay, HIE, HRE, AI, RL. Okay, instead of RL, we write here RL dash, because I have said already the reason. Okay, HIE plus HRE into AI RL dash. We know the all values, so substitute, you'll get 1093 ohm. That is what input resistance. Next, voltage gain. Voltage gain formula is what we have found out. Voltage gain is equal to AI into RL divided by RI. What I have said, instead of RL, we use in this problem RL dash. So we know the all values. Substitute. AI value is minus 49.32 and RL dash value is 545.45 and RI value is 1093. So we get minus 24.61. That is what voltage gain. Next, RI dash. Okay, why we have to find out RI dash? Okay, in that case we don't have so many resistance, but in this case they have given input side so many resistance. You can observe here R1, R2 and RS. Okay, they have given so many resistance. So RI is equal to what happens here? RI is equal to RI parallel with R1 parallel with R2. So you will get 696.9 ohm. That is what RI dash. Okay, overall voltage gain. You can think that we have not found out for derivation. Okay, we have not found out for derivation, that is AVS. Okay, but if they ask, you need to find out. Okay, if they ask, you need to find out. It is an easy way. Okay, AVS, how we can find out AVS? Okay, AVS is equal to what? V2 divided by Vs is equal to V2 divided by V1 into V1 divided by Vs. They have splitted. Okay, splitted. You can observe here figure. Here what we can write? We can write here. This is V1. Okay, when you compare with that, this is V1 and this is V2 and this is Vs. Okay, they have written that V2 divided by V1, V1 divided by Vs. Okay, what we have? V0 divided by VB into VB divided by Vs. Okay, this is V1. Okay, this is V2. Okay, similar. Instead of that, they have written, instead of V here, they have written V0. Output side voltage is V0 and this is VB and this is Vs. Okay, V0 divided by V0 divided by VB, VB divided by Vs. They have splitted the voltage. Okay, so AVS is equal to what? AVS is equal to what we will get? V0 divided by VB into VB divided by Vs. VB is equal to, from this figure, what we can write? VB. VB is equal to source voltage, that is Vs, and load output, what we are considering load. Okay, voltage across voltage, what is the resistance? Ri dash. So Ri dash divided by overall resistance. Okay, so Rs plus Ri dash. Vb divided by Vs is equal to what we got? Ri dash divided by Rs plus Ri dash. So substitute. Okay, we know the value of Vb divided by Vs. Okay, V0 divided by Vb is nothing but voltage gain. You can observe if you have doubt. Okay, Vc or V0. V0 divided by Vb. Okay, nothing but voltage gain. So into this value is this one. Okay, this. So we know the value of voltage gain 24.61, Ri dash is 696.9, Rs value is 1 kilo ohm and Ri dash value is this one. So if you solve this one, 10.1 AVS value is AI. AI is equal to what? IL divided by IS is equal to this. They have splitted. You can observe midband analysis of BJT. Okay. When you compare midband analysis of BJT, you can observe here they have splitted the current. Okay, here also same thing. IL divided by IC, IC divided by IB, again IB divided by IS. Okay, they have splitted stepwise. Okay, from figure A. Okay, this is the figure A. They have considered RC and RL resistance output side. Okay, from this figure we can write IL is equal to what? IL is equal to minus RC into IC. Okay, minus IC into RC divided by RC plus RL. Okay, source current, that is the source current IC, and RL minus IC into RC divided by RC plus RL. Okay, that can be written as what? IL divided by IC is equal to minus RC divided by RC plus RL. Okay, this is the value of this. Okay, next from figure B. Okay, they have considered RB is equal to R1 parallel R2 IS IB RY. Okay, this figure. Okay, input side. Okay, this one, these two will be RB and this one RS. Okay, and here overall when you here RI. Okay, so you will get that IB is equal to, from this figure, IB is equal to IS into RB divided by RB plus RI. Okay, from figure A, what we have written, IL divided by IC is equal to minus RC divided by RC plus RL. From figure B, IB divided by IS is equal to RP divided by RP plus RI. Okay, now we know the value of IL divided by IC and IB divided by IC. Okay, so no, we know the all values. Okay, RB is nothing but R1 parallel R2. So they have found out R1 we know, R2 we know. So we will get that value 1.923 kilo ohm. Okay, this is kilo ohm resistance. AI is equal to IL divided by IC. Value is, equation is minus RC divided by RC plus RL, and this can be written as AI. Okay, you can observe here AI is equal to nothing but IC divided by IB. Okay, AI is equal to nothing but IC divided by IB. So they have written minus AI. And next here you will get AI is equal to minus IC divided by IB. So from this equation they have written minus AI into, next what we got from this, okay, RB divided by RB plus RI. We have substituted this equation. Okay, so we have to substitute the all parameters. So you will get minus 14.29. Okay, that is what AI. Next, Y naught. Y naught is equal to what? Y naught is equal to, we got that HOE minus HFE into HIE divided by HIE plus RS. Okay, we know the values, so substitute, you will get Y naught is equal to 1.788 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, but what we want output resistance. This is output admittance. Okay, so R naught is equal to 1 divided by Y naught. This is R naught dash. Okay, here R naught. So output R naught dash is equal to R naught parallel with RL dash. You will get 55.899 kilo ohm. What we got R naught value and 545.45 RL dash value. If you solve that, you will get 540 ohm. Okay, RL dash is nothing but what? RL dash is nothing but RC parallel and RL parallel. Okay. This is what problem for CE amplifier. Stepwise you need to solve. Okay. In next class, I will explain about the CB amplifier and I will solve one problem. You need to make notes. Okay. Neatly you need to make notes and you need to understand properly. Okay. This is the second problem. I'll solve for understanding purpose. Okay. For the transistor connected in CE configuration, determine AV, AI, RY and R0. Okay, you just I will glance once. Okay, AI is equal to what? Minus HFE 1 plus HOE into RL. We know the all values. You can observe the question. They have given all the values. So if we substitute, you'll get minus 98 AI. So RY, we know the formula. If you substitute, you'll get 980.4 ohm. Okay, same formulas. AV is equal to AI into RL divided by RY. If you substitute, you'll get minus 98. Y naught formula is HOE minus HFE into HIE divided by HIE plus RS. Okay, substitute the values and you get the answers. Okay, this is simple. Okay. In next class, I will explain about CB and CC configuration with H parameter model.